from OC.
I didn't want to improvise it. I decided to come prepared. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to, in less than 4 minutes, to give you an impression of what was the work of Yinghui. And in fact, her results really contributed to organizational change, which we are carrying forward. So I want to tell you what she did and what was her project about. Print systems and their controllers are complex systems that pose challenges in managing their growing complexity while ensuring high quality and delivering on time, as it is with all high-tech embedded systems. Considering that OC controllers platform has been developed in the course of more than a decade by hundreds of developers and in different locations of Europe in various technologies, it can be expected that maintaining the overview is a challenge. Moreover, an impact analysis for each new feature proves to be an expert's task. Now, in order to provide support to all parties involved in the development process, one can envision that the controller can be ultimately fully modeled. Modeling, no surprise. Data, behavior, interfaces, but also the controller architecture itself, and that these models should be the basis of further specification, analysis, and simulation. This vision includes that there will be a bridge not only towards the realization, but also to the high-level system behavior in context for specification and validation purposes. Luckily, a lot of these models already exist and can be used as stepping stones towards this vision. Yinghui, your project, a model-based framework to bridge architecting, engineering, and testing, delivers the first step in our roadmap. It will serve as a base for integrating existing and new models. We believe that connecting models, not just developing them in isolation, delivers exponential added value to the organization. In order to show the feasibility of the approach, we selected our interface definition modeling as one of the most oldest and most established model-driven practices in the controller development. We further extended it with requirements on interface level or data constraints and usage scenarios specifying the expected behavior in different situations. Combining these models and putting them in their design context in the controller architecture model demonstrates the initial added value and sketches the potential of further extensions. But more importantly, it opens discussion on how far and and can we go at all in order, how far and can we go in order to, oh, I'm sorry. You see, sometimes focusing on reading your story is not working so well. So it opens the discussion on how far we can go with model-driven in our vision. So Yinghui, you successfully achieved the goal to provide the proof of concept. And based on that, we already know that it was the valuable step in the right direction. Your hard work in learning new domains and technologies, as well as in balancing your own work, as well as supervising students, has concluded a convincing and complete result. We are happy to adopt these results and continue maturing them and developing them further. And I'm really happy to tell you and everyone that, in fact, your results will be, in a few months, deployed to almost every controller developer. So your results were proved to be very valuable. Congratulations one more, and thank you very much for